Okay, if my lens is very dirty, well, live with it. I've been getting some work done on the DK here, and yeah, like I told you in the last clip, there is lots of rust I need to get rid of. That almost looks like unremovable, but I will get it. When I paint it, there will be some stickers that I'm gonna try to save. I'm saving that one. The same thing on the other side. That one. I'm saving probably that one. I don't even know what it says. Yeah, I might keep that one. But it may look kind of ugly, but I'm just gonna sand this sticker right here and get all the like all that so it doesn't show in the paint out, and I'm gonna spray paint over the sticker. I'm gonna have to get rid of a lot of this rust because I'm not spray painting over it, I can tell you that much. Sand these spots down, and I think I'm gonna try to put the original DK seat post on here, because this is a Genesis one and it's really not that good. I'm gonna have to live with the Genesis seat for a while. It's pretty comfy. It's got some support. I don't really know if that's even support, but whatever. You know, I feel like I need to do a bike check on this thing. Seriously. Once I get it all built up, I'm gonna do a bike check, because I just feel like I should. I really don't know much parts on it because it used to be my dad's, so Tech-Fro brake system. I don't even know what that means. I literally don't even know how gyros work. Like, I get this part, but then what's this? I don't know. I don't know how real gyros work. I know how Walmart bike gyros work. I have some over there, a couple over there. But yeah, I need to take this bolt off, clean anything I can that's underneath it. For some reason, this darn thing has one-piece cranks. Just tell you, when I grow up and I have this thing sitting in my shed, and the day I get a new BMX bike, which is most likely going to be a Sunday or something like that, I don't know. I'll compare it to this thing for you guys 5 years from now, and the first thing you're going to say is, so the Sunday has 3-piece cranks, not 1-piece cranks. I mean, the sprocket's nice and well built. It's a 22-year-old bike, and I mean, oh jeez, I was trying to show you guys that it's not bent. So yeah, I need to take this off. Crank's a little loose, so I'm gonna tighten that up. Oh, I didn't even know I had a drainage hole down here. My plan is for this bike, since it's a heavier bike, I will teach myself how to do a couple of tricks on it, but my plan is we have like me and my friend Jack, we found this place called Honda Hills, and God, is it cool. Like, there's all kinds of like dirt ram tracks and stuff. It's fun, and that's what my plan is for this bike, is to take it there and do some stuff. Oh my God, there's rust right there. I'm gonna have to try to keep this sticker up, because I want it on both sides. But yeah, this bike, I love this. This thing's awesome. It's not very long. I really don't know how to measure it, but I'm pretty sure it's 19 from here to there, or something like that. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm really not sure, because I know it's not that big. Which is good, because I'm small. Pretty small. doing it. So, yeah. Rolling up in their Cadillac. I'm gonna have to flip this thing over. I don't know. Flip it over. Flip it over onto the grass, and it looks like I still have some cleaning to do. I'll catch you guys again.